You've got an IP, they've got a company, they've got resources, they've got marketing initiatives, distribution. You don't know what they have going on behind doors number 1, 2, and 3. Okay. They're talking to you about your IP. Once you become a partner with them, they start to open up other doors. They start to share because they see that what you got as an IP can benefit them in more ways than just, let's say, the primary product you're negotiating, or maybe it can be applied to everything. I go back to the studio days and used to say that it's like the best way to get a license with a studio is to get it for the lowest cost and don't be a hog. Get in there, get the deal done. Because once you're a partner, it's a lot easier to expand that deal because you can find out what's going on behind the scenes. If you try to get everything up front, if you're going for the most that you can get, you wind up paying a lot of money, you're missing an opportunity. And the same thing holds true for you. If you have a bigger company, even a mid-sized company coming on board, don't solely focus on the money. Think about what they potentially have. And again, you can discover this through discussions.